Hello ladies and gentlemen. I wanted to provide another video for you to help you save documents that you've edited with Kami and also submit documents that you've edited with Kami. How you do that is you bring your cursor up here to the little save icon. When you click the save icon, you have a couple options. You can click download to save it directly to your hard drive as a PDF. This will work with virtually any device. If you click Advanced Export, it brings up a series of options. I personally select Google Drive. I choose to save my PDF with the annotations. Those are the changes that you've made to it. You come down here to the destination, select the folder you'd like the item to be placed, and then begin export. When you're ready to submit, you return back to Google Classroom, find the assignment, and there's a little add button. And you can either add that file as a PDF from your hard drive or from your Google Drive, and then click submit, and you should be ready to go. As always, please feel free to contact me with any questions, and I will be happy to help you. Have a great day.